Hello, this video describes how to onboard new customers in BMC Cloud Lifecycle Management.
Welcome to this presentation, which is going to explain how to onboard a new virtual data center. You have a cloud, and as a service provider, you have sometimes to onboard new customers to give them the capabilities to use the services that you can deliver. To be able to do that, if you manage different customers, you will have to give them a dedicated resource set. Dedicated resource sets can mean a dedicated cloud instance, and setting this up can represent a big amount of time and work for a cloud administrator. This increases the cost of operations and also the time to market. Without any appropriate solution, an administrator will have to define a network topology for virtual resource that would be dedicated for a customer, and would also have to check availability of resources in terms of compute, network, and storage. He will also have to build a specific service catalog by creating new offers dedicated to this new customer. With the following example, you will see how easy it is to create a full set of resources and to dedicate this to a specific customer. This will be done through a single GUI with a global view on available network and compute resources. You will see also how to reuse a catalog that has already been designed for other customers. So first I'm going to create a new network container, which is the structure of the new virtual data center. I'm giving it a name. I'm choosing the BNA provider for setting up the network. And, sorry, I forget to select templates. Here's the template I've selected. And this template represents the topology of the network of my new virtual data center, which is now displayed. And that's it. The virtual environment is going to be created by the solution. Here it is. And now I have a network topology designed for this new customer. I'm going to map it to resources now. So I just want to integrate the possibility for the user of this virtual data center to use virtual cluster resources. That's VMware resources behind it. But we can also work with different hypervisors. This takes just a few seconds to map the compute resources. That has been done. What I can do now is creating or taking an existing tenant, which represents a customer. I'm going to create a new one. So that will be my new customer. I can define many fields for this new customer, and I'm going by default to map a global catalog on it. After that, I'm going to ask the solution to map both new tenant and new virtual data center. So I'm going back in at the resource level, just selecting my new customer data center, virtual data center. I'm just going to map now the new tenant I've just created. And that's it. I've created a new customer and I've dedicated resources for this new customer. Just have now to create users in this tenant to enable them to use the resources of my virtual data center. As you saw with this example, I've defined everything from the CLM Administration console, and I just create connection to non-resource set and created also a new dedicated catalog mapped on the new customer. This has been done in minutes because of templates usable in the solution for giving both network and compute resource access with the global management of IP addresses. This prevents the administrator to reinvent the wheel each time. This also participates to decrease both time to market and costs, and of course increase customer satisfaction. Thank you for your attention.